So Super Clean is a very powerful degreaser, as you can see with just the first part that we've done, that it really cleaned it up, made it all shiny. I only used it on the inside, so the part that you won't really see very often, because and I used it pretty sparingly. Then I went over it with a wet towel and then dried it, and then I just used a wet towel on the outside of the motor. And that's because since it's so powerful, it can really, you have to be really cautious on something that's like aluminum. And if it has a powder coat or older paint like this motor, it can really affect the look of it. But on the inside, we weren't too worried. We just wanted it cleaned up. So yeah, I'm happy with the results of the first one. And we have a couple more parts that we're gonna clean up today. So here is the before of this side. It's really dingy, dirty. Got some spider webs and stuff in there. So again, we're gonna use Super Clean on this inside portion. Really powerful degreaser. Get it all cleaned up, and then we'll go over it with cold water and then dry it. And the outside, we will again just use the water. Just get the dust off, clean it up a little bit, so we can preserve what's still there of the paint. Piece number 2. Again, just use Super Clean on the inside. Super powerful degreaser. Didn't want to mess up the paint on the outside. We are also assuming that this is aluminum. And Super Clean, you want to be really cautious when using it on aluminum because it is so powerful. So we kind of use it sparingly just on the inside and wiped it down with just some cold water on a rag and then dried it off. But super happy with the results. Really cleaned it up. It's not super dirty. I'm just gonna get her a little bit clean if I can. Looks like there's some oil coming out. But for the age, honestly, the prop looks to be in pretty good condition. I mean, you got some dings, but we are guessing this motor's from the 40s, maybe 50s. We couldn't find much information online, so we're just kind of guessing. If anybody does know, we would love some more information. It is a CB, and they were made by Goodyear. But yeah, really happy. See if we can get her a little cleaner. In order to try and preserve the paint, I'm not going to be using Super Clean. I'm just worried that with it being so old and Super Clean being so strong, that it might hurt the paint a little bit. So I am just going to try with one of these scrubs, and hopefully it turns out okay.